This is a Victorinox Forschner 430 stainless steel 8-inch chef's knife. As you can see, Victorinox Forschner, made in Switzerland, stainless 430, 8 inches. It has no bolster. It has wooden handle. It has full tang. It's not tapered. It's thin, it's light, it's balanced. It's very easy to sharpen freehand because you don't have the bolster in the way. It's also not super hard steel. It's on the softer end especially for a modern chef's knife. So it's a real dream to sharpen. Just put it right on the stone and you can have it sharp very quickly. Sorry about the focus, sorry about the zoom. There we go. Wooden handles, riveted. I think new these are what, like $60 these days. They're not branded Forschner anymore, but whatever they've changed the line to, I would say it's a nice knife for the money. I usually use high-end Wusthoffs and high-end, like well-made old Sabatiers in the house, but I've gotten a few of these lately, and for an inexpensive knife, they're pretty impressive for what they are. I've actually implemented the boning knife. I got one of these sort of in a boning knife, but it has an injection molded, one of those rib safety handles for that are more like professional kitchen oriented, and I like it. It's pretty nice. And this is pretty nice as well. Very light, very balanced. Very compliant steel. Yeah. Not bad at all. Anyway, 8 inches, Forschner, made in Switzerland. Very well made, actually. Good value knife. 8 inches, 430 stainless. Victorinox, thanks.